good stuff. And then the fucking assholes who create the problem get to fly around in helicopters to work.
Exit dive! Exit dive! Exit dive! You can thank Dashcam Riprock for inspiring that song. I'm sure he loves it.
Unless I'm gonna start doing fucking drugs. I'm gonna start doing a cycle.
Nice cut off. BM double douche. Cutting off yet another BM double douche. It's like BM double douche inception. I don't see BM double douches that much anymore, let alone if they do something bad. Weird. Exit regret. Way up there. Exit regret. Yeah. No stop. No stop again. Lex sucks. Exit dive. Or exit regret. Whatever you want to consider that being. Way up there. You know, I got these big, huge signs telling you where the highways go. Learn to read them. I never wanted anyone like this. It's all brand new. Woo! E!
There was always that guy at the gym that did the lat pull down stack. Dude, he does the whole fucking stack.
Nice cut off.
And then the last one, when he would just let the stack fall, and you felt like the gym floor.
What are you doing? Really?
Oh, dude.
In advance exit dive, I'll call it that.
Half the people.
Nice cut off. Nice cut off again.
To get back in lineup, the team has played so well. And that day,
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run.
So, I admire what Kyle Dumas is going to try to do here.
No stop.
I think he knows, as Steve Eisman does, is that you can rebuild.
Dumas?
Yes. And of course all the Canadian press.
Wow. Look at that. Spawood Plaza. I bet I could find everything I need at Spawood Plaza. Yeah, there's nothing else around here that interests me.
She's like dead shoulders flipping her off. No one can see her but me.
No, stop!
Wait, I think I can save it.
After immigrating from the Soviet Union in 1989, was American sitcoms, and her favorite was Cheers. So all of her other positive qualities, she's also got great taste in 80s sitcoms. But yeah, to echo Cecil's point, she's
My foot's on the fucking brake. What do you want from me?
There's a lot of ways to fuck this up. You should see
anything except re-sign their kicker,
Red light run.
which
Red
I
light
think is a
run.
good move.
Red light run.
Published at the time, showing structurally
No,
there's
stop.
differences in the brains of people with schizophrenia. Whoa!
Garage sales at your house in 1 year. You can only have one garage sale a year until 2015
No,
in
stop.
the state of Minnesota. Just 2 days
What? Double
of weekly bingo were allowed in nursing.
And in my opinion, climbing mountains is a very unique task. It requires very
Really?
specific strength. And
Realize that
specific
the right
type
lane
of
does not
physical
end.
fitness to it. Obviously, that mountain shape is just different than regular, the Adirondack Mountains. Because I believe these mountains will transform you. They did for me. They've done it for thousands of other people who've climbed.
No turn on red.
Do a whole series on
Because that light's green, that means red for them. There's no turn on red, blah, blah, blah. You get the point.
Real question, though. that have to be answered.
No left turn.
One thing we know. He gives you some speed at the top of the lineup when he turns it around and when he's on top of it. So that's your lineup. It's a good one. It's a balanced one. Verdugo, I think he'll get 50 extra base hits this year.
Oh, back up a shame.
And he's probably
navigate around Africa's southern tip, Caliente, proving that
Nice
the
cut off.
optimal route.
Yeah, hi, I'm gonna cut you off. I'm sorry.
Open sea, Caliente, significant captain, used Diaz's route to pioneer the oceanic.
I got a spidey sense that you're gonna dive for the left turn lane. Of course you did. Oh well, you suck at life. You can't plan anything. You failed at life and you're gonna die alone or something. Yeah, that's mean. I shouldn't do that.
Of late stage capitalism.
Nice. So if you had to summarize what you learned in one sentence, what would it be?
You can solve
Red
all
light
of
run.
capitalism's
Red light run. We didn't learn shit. We're running red lights.
the division's always competitive. Don't have a count out.
Why you stop? Just merge in. It's like, do you not know how like on ramps work? We're not on the Merritt Parkway here.
We know.
Really hard, and there are a lot of evidence that you
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run.
This professor at UChicago named David W. Keith, who wrote the whole paper about
No, stop.
geoengineering and climate, which is great. It would cost less to set off from the moon. We would have to build a space station on the moon.
Finally. I think the author of this article just really wants to build a space
Whoa,
station.
what the fuck?
Could you imagine?
Has been writing the same article year after
Okay.
year. Like, oh, could aliens?
to sort of link this image, this idea of fidelity.
No, stop. Under.
My classes are through you.
It's easy for you to say when you already fucking ruined the country.
No,
Right?
stop.
Like, get the fuck out of here. I think one of the things that
Nobody was assigned to a place. Essentially, nobody was assigned to a place. So you have to change that.
Red
That's
light
what
run.
number two
Red
is.
light run. Red light run.
Well, thanks, but
as well. 7 letters from Joseph Smith to his
No, stop.
A bunch of other stuff.
Anyway,
Good job.
So you wanna? We've never done this before. Would you like to do some?
No, stop.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah.
Okay. So basically, what happens here is that
Improved 17,000% within months after my and because I had bought into
No,
the
stop.
mythology around.
No, stop.